Are you a poultry farmer? Are you looking forward to get 4 kg broilers in 6 weeks, 4.5 kg in 6 weeks, 5 kg in 7 weeks, 8 kg in 10 weeks, 6 kg in 8 weeks? This is Eco Bio Boost Feed Booster. This feed booster is a wonderful organic, purely and nutritious feed ingredients that give you maximum results. You can see all these chickens here are eating feed mixed with Eco Bio Boost. These chickens are 1 month chicken, that is 28 days chicken. You can see how big they are. You can see these chickens weighs more than 3 kg each, and they are just 28 days. Make use of this Eco Bio Boost feed booster to increase the quality of the feed you give to your chicken. You're going to get amazing results, powerful weight, broiler weight. You can see them. Once the feed is mixed with feed booster, it is a concentrate, complete concentrate, just a complete ration of itself that enriches the feed, make the feed more powerful, so that if the chicken eat it, they convert it and they will eat less and give you maximum results. Both the layers, turkey, geese, any poultry bird at all, if you give it to your laying birds, they are going to drop massive jumbo eggs for you, and their egg drop will be daily, not skipping days at all. If you are not making profit in poultry farming, this is what you use now. Order for your own Eco Bio Boost feed booster right now and get the best results. If you want to achieve 100% amazing results, combine this feed booster with the liquid. That is the Eco Bio Booster animal will weigh more than 3 booster, the liquid tea for your poultry and livestock animals. Combine 2 of them and get maximum results. How do you make use of this Eco Bio Boost? This is in this particular video. This is what you're going to watch. You're going to get the best broiler weight. You're going to get best egg drop, jumbo eggs with strong shells and quality egg yolk. This is what you're going to achieve. Any poultry bird can take it, and it's going to increase the feed nutrient, and at the same time reduce the feed consumption. Chickens will eat small quantity and give you maximum result. Not eating all the whole bags of feed within 3 or 4 days. No, they only eat little and rest. Little and rest because the feed is with high nutrient. It is made up of different organic ingredients: soya bean, cake, soya bean meal, full fat soya bean, full fat groundnut cake meal, imported fish meal, 72% crude protein,
is delicious.
Animal blood meal,
see how they are rushing it.
85 to 90% crude protein.
That will reach the feed.
Garlic, ginger, neem, turmeric,
these are
clove, and others.
Plus.
Salt is also included. A lot of things are here. A lot of natural
2 to 3 days to
ingredients are here. It has wheat also, and it has corn, but in little quantity because of the nutrient. It has bone meal.
It has your feed and get
limestone also. All these
5 kg
for minerals and vitamins. And it has a concentrate organic vitamin and mineral premix.
Hello. You are highly welcome to a very special topic today. Are you a poultry farmer and you are having stunted growth? Your birds are not growing up to your desired result. You need faster growing birds. You want your broilers to grow faster and bigger. You need 8 kg, 10 kg, 12 kg, 4 kg in your poultry farm within a short period of time. What I video is for you. This is our produced Eco Bio Boost feed booster. This is a feed booster we are talking about. You know this feed booster. You know it for long. See it. This is a wonderful organic feed booster that boosts the nutrients in your commercial feed. If you are making feed in your farm, you want that feed to be richer and to achieve better results. This is what you make use of. Make use of this particular organic feed booster that is made up of many organic materials that you know also. This is what we produce, and you see these ones you are seeing here. These ones are going to Benin tomorrow. So, are you in need of this? Do you want a maximum result in your broiler or poultry farming? Do you want maximum egg drop in your laying beds? This is what you use to augment the feed, make the feed richer with this feed booster. You can see it. See it here. These ones are going to Benin tomorrow. See, there are many. One. I see them. All these ones are going to Benin. These are serious farmers that need it. Serious farmers need this. So they are already paid for it, and we are loading it to them. See them. We are packaging it, and it's going. See them. Using it. Order for your own now. Make that feed richer. Why you are having stunted growth, why you are having poor growth and poor development in your poultry farm is because the commercial feed is not trustworthy any longer. Most of the feed you are using to feed them is not richer enough to grow them faster. That's why you cannot achieve 8 kg, 10 kg. You see them? Serious farmers need this, and it's leaving tomorrow morning. See them here. I see it. This each of them is 1 kg. Each of them is 1 kg. This 1 kg goes for, see them here. This is one person, one serious farmer. Why not order for your own now? Why not order for your own now and have the best result in your poultry farm? See them. Order for your own now, immediately. This is, are you seeing it? See them here. So let me package it back for the serious farmers that need it. You can see this is complete one carton. One carton of it is 10 pieces. This is by serious farmers. What you need to do, you only add this to their feed. You can see it. See them. You add it to their feed. That will make the feed richer, whether you are using commercial feed or you are making the feed in your farm. So this feed booster is added to their feed to make the feed richer and give you maximum results. If you continue making use of the commercial feed or you make your own feed that is not richer, you cannot achieve those weights you always see me show you on this video. See how it looks like. This is a feed nutrient. That's it. Cowboy boost. See it. This is serious farmer. Can see it. Let me package it back. So that after packaging it, you see it. I'm packaging it back to move tomorrow morning to Benin. One good thing is that this person even bought 3 cartons of 3 gallons of organic feed booster. That is the probiotic, the liquid one. They bought 3 gallons also, and 1 carton of this. This is 10 pieces of this. You can see them. These are farmers that know how to take care of their best and to get the best results. If you use this, you're going to get amazing results. See them. Have you seen it? See the packaging. It's moving tomorrow. Make order for your own. One like this is 15,000 naira. You're not going to make use of it once. No, you're going to collect small quantity and mix. How to make the usage is on the sticker. Just little quantity, you mix it with your feed. It will enrich that feed immediately and give you better result. It's made up of different organic raw materials, including soya bean, blood meal, imported fish meal, wheat, corn. All these are here. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, clove, salt, neem, and many others are here also. That is 1 kg. 1 kg goes for 15,000 naira. That is 1,000 grams. This is the small quantity. You can see this one. This one is the same booster, but this is smaller for ones. This is 100 grams. You can see it. It's very small. Make your own order now and get it instantly. You can see it. This one, see this one. This is complete 1 carton. 1 carton is 10 pieces. You see it.
They are going tomorrow direct to the farmer, to a farm in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Why not order for your own now? You can see them here. This will reach the feed. One like this, you can use one like this for 2 bags of feed. One for 2 bags of feed. It does not have anything like overdosage. No, this is, you can even feed this direct to them, but it's too rich. It's waste. So you can use this one sachet and dilute 2 bags of feed or 1 bag of feed. Anyone you need. Does not have any overuse because it is feed. It's also food, but it is super nutrient. So the chickens cannot convert the nutrient in this booster. That's why you dilute it with the feed you make. That will reach that feed now and reduce the value and why the chickens eat and get the maximum result. This is the only way you can get these big broilers. Daily egg drop. 100 gram. One. Can use one to dilute 1 bag of feed. One like this. Can go for 1 bag of feed. Does not have any overdose. It's not medication. This is not medication. This is food. See it. Make your own order today. It is fully fortified. Made with blood meal. Blood meal has 80 to 90% crude protein. Imported 72% crude protein fish meal. It has soya bean meal and soya bean cake. Soya bean meal, raw soya bean, toasted and ground to powder. It's here. Full soya bean, full fat. Everything is intact. Nothing is removed at all. It's only toasted to remove the anti-nutritional factors. Some of those factors that inhibit the conversion by chicken. So it is, once you toast it, it reduces it. And that's the only way you can make use of it. And it is full fat soya. You know, even as a human being, if you use soya milk alone, eat or take tea for some time, you see how it nourishes your body. Talk less of chicken. Taking full fat soya bean with full fat granite cake, granite meal. That is granite itself. This is granite you eat. It is toasted. It is fried the way whether fry you toast, anyone you call it. After you grind it to powder, complete raw. Nothing is removed at all. It is in here also. So all these are built up in this particular booster to boost your feed for your chickens. Look for it now. If you need it, please give this a thumb up. Drop your comment on the comment section and ask, make your order. Send your order to WhatsApp group. Send your order to me now and get your own instantly. But remember, if you are far distance, don't buy one. Buy in large quantity because you are going to get a maximum result. And it's not something we are going to weigh bill because the cost of sending one alone to you is almost the same cost of sending 5 to you. So why not make large order so that you get the best? Because we can't just send one to you. The same amount of transport or weigh bill for 5. Make good result of it. Thank you for watching. Share it to reach more poultry farmers, please. Let it to reach more poultry farmers that need this. And subscribe to our both channels. Join our channel community membership. Choose any of the pack and become one of us so that you always get the best from us. Thank you for watching till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. For now, I say bye.